Yo yo. Another day. Another week gone. Still holding up strong. And the weekly candle still is closing above last week's close, which is good. Yo yo. The man of the hour.
Just move my stop losses and I'm free. Let's,
That
let's do it.
that's it, man. Basically, that's what I've been doing all day. Um, most of the movies that we've done, that we've predicted that was gonna happen, it happened. We're no magicians, are we? Like we just very disciplined and we follow our plans very much, very strictly, to the triggers that it gives us. It doesn't take a genius to trade. It just takes someone who's very disciplined to be successful, and I'm sure you can vouch for that, right, bro? Um, that's all it is. There's nothing more to it. This move is this move on Ether. We were looking at it since around these breakout areas, but kept on selling, and I mean, I guess that's what's been happening to a lot of market. A lot of shorts are piling up because everyone is expecting a pullback to 31,800, 32 level, right? Now, I'm about to nuclear my BTC chart right now, so we can take a look at it together comprehensively as a market. It's a pain in my ass that I have to do it again and again, but it's okay. We'll do it until people learn, right, bro? Delete it, done, gone. I'll even remove these.
You see now, this is what I'm looking at, especially when I'm in a trade with BTC right now.
Mhm.
Um, how do we call it? I forgot the name in English. The
What
gr- the the gray line that
the
goes with the Ichimoku,
the gray the lagging span.
the lagging span, the
Yeah.
daily lagging span. It's
Mhm.
like
It's flying, bro. What do
not
you
in the best. It's not in the best position that I want it to be as
Where do you want this to be hit?
as I'm. I want it to break up and to for the price to be trading above the
Mhm.
previous higher high of the lagging span
Of course.
in a matter of 10 hours of daily candle.
The good news is
I might like we still have all other the conversion, the base, but this is
this is the
yeah,
range, basically. And you would
that's
like
the range.
to the weekly to close up here, right? Or even up here, even.
That would be like yeah,
This would be this.
for me personally it will be like a continuation in my brain for playing longs
I think one
to
more. I think one more drive up, bro, before a major pullback. But let's see if it gives us that. Um, let's first turn this off. Turn this off and leave this. Just a quick one. Boom, like this. I have my turbo mode on. Conversion 3M monthly. Interesting. Okay. Now we got this here bad boy. Here is the monthly. All right. Nothing to. You can even mark this one out as well if you want. You know. Monthly base, and then put this one on the top because that's important. That's it, to make your charts neater. High time frame, easy, done. Weekly, let's see. Oh, this is interesting, very interesting. You like this, you like this. Boom, this one here, the conversion weekly is now at 30,467, right? And the monthly is at 31,438. So the bulls are being supported by very strong conversion, wouldn't you agree? And
Yeah.
this is not just the monthly conversion that just crawl up. When it crawl up and then it goes down, that's a questionable support. But bro, this is a reclaim. This is a clear reclaim. Now this it's trying to settle here. Now hopefully Bitcoin keeps on moving upwards, so this also crawls up. Now if this stays here, then we got a common support at 31,400, 31,500 area, whatever people would like to be at. But we can also mark this as well here. Let's see what this zone is. That's the weekly super trend, has not been broken, has not been touched since the beginning of the year. Consider that one of the most powerful at the moment. Now
Yeah.
we take a look at the 3-day, broken here and there, but the weekly has not been touched. 28. All right, that's the level around there. Obviously for different exchanges is different, so we could say that this is considering this would be a final support, but believe me when I say this, I would be out of my longs way before this is touched. As a matter of fact, I would be out of most of my longs depending on where they are around here, this level. This is just me personally, but I think everyone is all looking at around very similar retracement area. Is BTC heavy? Yeah, I must say it is. I must say it is. It is definitely trading at a premium price, but the move is not over until it's over. Now we haven't even finished drawing our 3 days. Our 3 days is also in line with the conversion on the weekly, and also around here as well there's a support. There is a common support here, 3-day conversion. I don't want to like really crowd my my charts anything below this, otherwise I'm just going to be like zooming out, and I see all these numbers. Daily, this is the fun one, right? One more push up, deviation below, it's a clear short. I'm not short yet. I can't short here. There's no chance you're gonna catch me shorting here, but you may see a pullback to here. You may. It doesn't mean I'll short. I would rather wait to long. Why? Because we are in an uptrend. This is a very strong uptrend, which means that there is a lot of people trying to get in on their shorts as well. And early bears and early bulls always get chopped. Everybody knows this. Remember the price action up here? Where is it? Before the drop. Chop, 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 chop. One more push. Boom. Yeah. Chop, 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 chop. Push up, then down. Most of the times, the early birds always gets chopped in this market, even with bulls. Look at this. Tried along the whole market, right? Great zone to long. Chopped. All of them dead. Once they're all dead, once they all got wiped, what happened to the market? Push. Great push. And you know what's funny? When this happened here, bro, you know what happened there, right? Like exactly what happened here. Look, how did people fall for this? here, here, it happened, the same move upwards. Now this is a very gigantic move. I'm waiting for the third drive up, maybe like to up here, or maybe around 37 area, which is like Indu's area. If it goes up to here, bro, and it shows weakness here, no buyers, consider me shorting to 32. Until that happens, I'm not shorting. No chance. I will not short until these two get tested. It hasn't even been touched. It hasn't even been touched. Front run? Really? Like, we can't even do that move? You think market makers can't do that? They're building more shorts, I think, and I'm quite certain that they can get to that level. Now, range-wise, oh, 4 hours. We'll do one more, 4 hours. This is getting interesting here. I know for a fact that this is last week's Monday high because I've already done the chart and I just deleted it. Whenever this loads. There we go. We do the Monday. Where's Monday? Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Monday high. Monday low. Here we go. Monday high. Monday low. I want to also do a range profile of this entire block. Still the same thing again. This thing here, range, POC. This one should be less. This one should be smaller. Important but not really. This one should be big. Right.
Tell me, bro.
Yeah, bro. Anything.
In what occasions?
Yeah.
What time frames? And when do you choose to use this range high, range low, value area high, value area low? To use this method of like finding a range.
Great.
When do you use this thing?
Great question, and I love that question. You never you didn't see me
like I'm using Fibonacci and stuff, yeah.
Yeah.
And you count the chart and you place this POC and everything. Why do you choose this over moving averages of other kind? Like I'm approaching a chart and be honest, I'm using it, but it's not the first thing that's coming into my head. Most of the time, when do you use it and why?
Okay. After a volatile move, it's a very good question. And by the way, you were lagging a little bit there. After a major move, the price likes to consolidate and make a range. Big move, range. Big move, small range. Big move, small range. Big move, small range. Big move, and then small range here. Big move, big move, big move. Small range, big move. That's what happens. I'm expecting this price to range like this as well. Big move, range, chop, 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 move, move, chop, 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 boom, boom. It always does that without fail. What we're trying to do is capture the continuation. Look at everyone and their mums and their families and their dogs. They're all getting chopped here in POC.
Yeah.
Ritesh pointed this out. Why am I choosing this over the Ichimoku for BTC only? Because BTC is a deciding factor on where we're going, up or down. I have a simple rule,
Yeah.
right?
But how this indicator is better than others to use on BTC? Why?
Because it's
Like
simple.
I I,
Yeah,
I,
go on.
I am literally trying to know. Like I'm truly asking. I don't know why do you prefer this one? I'm curious.
I love this one is because it's very simple, and I can I can catch continuation on the range breakout. Okay, because
So simplicity. This is your approach to this
yes,
indicator.
absolutely, because everyone's getting chopped, right? They're all
Yeah.
trying to play the momentum indicator, and they're all getting chopped. And this is where you see a lot of momentum being shifted to continue upwards on the winning side, or go downwards to the whichever side wins. So Ichimoku has been chopped here on the 4 hours drastically. These are day trading. These are day trading indicators. Daily, daily, it is looking like we are going to pull back to 32. It is, but until that happens, we can't really say much. Now look at these longs, that the fresh longs that are coming in, very tight stop losses, getting rinsed right now off the market, rinsed, absolute rinsed, right? It's just easier, man. Like you go long here, right? You don't go long on the BTC, you go long on the altcoins. So look at it, it all dropped, like big time drop. But we already got our stop losses in nice areas, so we haven't really lost anything, right? And BTC just why is this BTCD? Why is this triggering? It hasn't even got there. Okay, whatever. Yeah, that's why I use this. A lot of people are gonna get chopped. I'm not gonna get chopped. There's no chance I'm gonna get chopped because I'm gonna stay in my swings, where the direction is mostly done. And if I see BTC is moving back into Monday low again, it should. Let's say we dropped Monday low now. Yeah, a very strong chance. I believe that these coins that we long are still going to be in their positions. Look, it's bouncing like clockwork. And the bounces are usually stronger on the swings than what it is on the BTC. Now I'm already underwater on my FTM trade, but that doesn't matter. I wanted to be above this, and I wanted to get in early, but all my stops are tight. Yeah, I don't know. Like, hopefully that does answer your question in a way. Why I use this? You see me sometimes switch from this and the Ichimoku from time to time, because it is very important to see different perspectives at the same time as well. I mean, you can even use the Fibonacci if you like. It works. Monday low, possible Monday low, and then you also got the mid-range here. Here, Monday low. Monday low is around 0.618 area, and then you got 0.5 here at around mid-range, range POC. Very similar areas. These things are gonna bounce differently, and what a surprise, right? 0.236 is around the resistances here. It's a beautiful it's a beautiful indicator, this Fibonacci, and it happens to be lined up with each of one of my SR. I just like using these day ranges and range POC because it's also based on volume. You and I both know volume is important. That's just my personal opinion. Now we are bouncing again here at Monday high, or trying to, right? and it is quite important for us to be bouncing around these levels. Look at this, a lot of confluence, we're bouncing here, value area high, and this is value area low. So we can say this: if we break above and we hold the Monday high and the value area high, it is very safe to say that we are in an uptrend, and it is very likely that we will test this guy. Very likely. And if we're gonna test this guy, it is very easily, if it's already here, we can push this person here, grab liquidity there, grab 36,268, and that's when I would be moving my stop losses into deep profit or taking profits on some. Until that's done, I'm not taking profit. What for? What do we I'll ask you something. Do you short strength on coins?
Nah.
So why would you take profit?
True. I won't.
That's exactly.
I will move my stop loss.
Correct. Now, this is not obviously financial advice for people. Be free to take your profit. If you've taken some of the trades that we took for educational purposes on your trading demo account, or after doing your research, you tend to agree and find confluences in our trading, sure, go ahead, be happy, take some profits. But me, I'm in a swing. Now, why would I take profit? This is the thing with people, right? They're scalping this small range, right? It's like, swing failure pattern, 9 hours and 54 minutes, I'm a swing failure now. To what? To 1798. To what? To 1800. To this is now support until proven otherwise. Do not try and fight the trend. The trend is your friend until it's not. This is what the Ichimoku said. I am not the genius that invented this. I will play this until we get to 2151, until I get stopped out. If I get stopped out, I'll do it with honor. I don't give a fuck. But most likely, if there is no black swan event, this is going to continue upwards. It's going to march. And there's also confluences in ETHBTC. Look at this. And then this is where I turn this. The person that wanted to learn VWAP of me is not here. I don't know where the boys are, but if they miss out, they can always rewatch this again. I mean, I was supposed to come on in a couple of hours, but I'm coming on a bit early, but that doesn't matter. This is the range. Who pointed this out for me? It was actually Ritesh. He pointed it out around here. This is the quarterly VWAP. He did it on the 4-hour chart, and then it's a beautiful range, man. Can you agree that this is a sexy range we got here, bro? From here to here to here. Man, that's beautiful.
Wow. Juicy, bro.
Perfect range on ETHBTC. What does ETHBTC mean?
The only point you wanna stop and think is at the red line.
Yeah.
The red resistance we have. Basically the range between the red line and the edge of the cloud. Yeah. This thing should be we should look at it to play continuation.
I do.
Just to make sure it's handling.
I respect it, because not only that, we also have a quarterly previous quarter value area high here at this level, which is why we are having a hard time here. On top of that as well, furthermore, we do have a yearly value area high. What a surprise, we reject there. It is a strong confluence. It is a very strong support and resistance until proven otherwise. People say that yeah, this is used on smaller time frames. I know a couple of boys said that to me on the chat. I respect them because they've been reading a couple of tutorials for Forex I'm not a forex trader. Forex moves like forex moves like a snail, bro. We are in crypto. This and this range low on a value area low to value area high on the yearly candle happened in, ready,
See.
23 days. A yearly VWAP covered the whole range in 23 days. Ethereum can pull back to 1720 area. However, I am hopeful because I believe in the Ichimoku more. That's me.
اسبان كلف صغرت لشان.
That's what I think. So
Sorry.
no, it's okay, man. I don't know if I think you should incorporate this into your Ichimoku when you're looking for charts because it's very easy to use. You know, if we are inside, you know, if we're able to recapture the bottom or even play a continuation on the quarterly, this will get the quarterly or the yearly, and I promise you, you won't regret it. You're gonna have a good time, man. You're gonna have a very good time. This is the last resistance that we have for Ethereum. Above this, then I personally think that Ethereum is gonna fly, bro. Above this level right here. Above this level, Ethereum is going to fly. Confluence, perfection, boom, up. Let the market pull back. I don't care. Now we got the 4-hourly close, and it is right now being defended by the market makers on value area high and also the Monday high. Now I don't know who done this push. It might be the market maker. Only a market maker can move a price like this on the weekend, or any time rather. Who can move BTC 1.5% down? Not me. I can do it on SFP, but not on this. Yeah, that's it. USDT. What are we thinking? Again, at conversion monthly. Conversion monthly is a fortress on USDT, but that doesn't come as a surprise because it is a strong level. We do want this to further break down. It has been a long way since we've been here, man. In this area, at 7.59, 7.42, and it is time is running out. We do need to continue upwards, otherwise it's just gonna start choking, and when this starts choking and compressing, we know what happens in compression. It's gonna explode, and when it explodes upwards, all longs are going to be stopped out, liquidated, in profit, stop, or in loss. So I highly recommend after this move up, feel free to take your profit. If you want to take a profit on this, by all means do so. We can always readjust our portfolio on Monday, or you know, with my new trading time, which is basically after weekly close. We can close everything now, reopen everything again. We can even play on a weekly candle like AVAX. Credit to Widelton, but this is basically the trade. Look at this. Look, that's what I said. Wait for the close above. Then we have a good play. Otherwise, it is potential that this could top out a little bit, and we will pull back to these levels down here. There's a lot that could happen, but we do really need this daily candle to close strong above these levels between here and here, even better if it's up here. Otherwise, man, there is a lot of upside, but there is a lot of downside as well. I know I'm playing Mr. Obvious right now, but at this time, if you have a trade and you wanna take profit, now is a good time. If you haven't taken profit there, that's still a good move. You can take it.
I even do,
Mm?
like my plan basically is on AVAX, the level you marked over there.
Mhm.
If we're gonna show signs that we're gonna close inside this cloud, I'm just taking 75%, leaving 25 alone, and
That's
then if
right.
I lose them, I lose them because I milked this coin for a whole month.
Yeah,
So
bro.
like
Good on you. Well done.
it gave me yeah, I'm just saying like it gave me a lot of space to play with. So
Mhm.
uh, it's much more calmer for me to trade and to take this swing to the low side and then to the upside. Like,
Mhm.
but it is gotta close above this level. It
Yep.
is.
Absolutely. With this as well, I've already done this chart. I've been charting. If I'm not on YouTube, I'm on Discord. If I'm not on Discord, I'm charting. But I have been very active this weekend on Discord, just constantly like spamming charts left, right, and center. But hello, welcome aboard, Shadow Striker. 200 EMA is going to be a very important level here for FTM. If it closes above this and you don't long, there's something seriously wrong with you. That's not me saying that. That's the chart saying that. Look at that. It is nice to have it above like this. This black.
Hello.
Hello, 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 hello. 2022 value area low. Yeah, man, we're just finding some. We're basically talking about BTC. Um, what is it gonna do? Do you actually know? No one knows. No one knows except for the market maker, really. But it's quite simple. This is bearish, I would say. Widelton, you're more of a pattern guy than me. I would say that this is bearish, unless we close above 36,800.
I would say it is. It is bearish. There is a well. I would place the vertical line in other place, so I have 3 touches. But
Yeah.
basically, it is bearish. It's showing bearish flag pattern. Most of the times, it likes to break down. Yeah.
We can always
The conversion also
out of
like
out of out of everyone here on
scary.
this stream, out of everyone on this stream right now, I'm I'm the person that will be affected by a breakdown here the most. Mainly my profits, and I've already tightened up my stop loss just in case we get a scam wick. But I do believe strongly that if we close this on the 4 hourly above Monday high and value area high and 4 hour conversion and we're on an uptrend, we are testing this liquidity zone. I'm pretty sure Shadow Striker can back me up here in liquidity grabbing up here. One.
Thinking the same. Thinking the same. If you want an example, you can see the all-time high. They did exactly this.
All-time high.
Yeah.
Wow. I don't know what's wrong with TradingView. It's so laggy. I think I want a refund.
Mm.
Whoa, man. What's wrong with this? It's lagging all weekend. There we go.
Yeah.
Here. Boom.
Yeah. Yeah. The first trick people to short, then they take out the shorts and then done.
Yep. I'm not overly bullish here, but I'm not overly bearish. I can only play the range. I'm just a humble trader. Until it does this deviation, I'm still long and strong. I don't see any reason to short this big dildo on the weekly candle. It's relatively weaker than last week, of course, but this is chopping, and we love when coins chop. When Bitcoin chops like this, you get stupid moves on coins. Wow, how good is it that I exited out of my meme long? I would have been stopped out. What a G for closing the trade on this breakdown here. Breakdown,
Totally.
retest,
Right on time.
right on time. Like this is a short signal for me, but I'm not shorting. What would I short? As a matter of fact, I can't apply enough. I don't have enough expertise in trading in altcoins like this for me to be putting my capital at risk. But if I was to long this shitcoin, it would be above this on. But there's not enough data. There's not enough data on these indicators. This is just basically,
2 days old,
what is it?
almost.
Yeah,
It's 2 days old almost. Like
Yeah.
2 days, I think, maybe 3 days. I don't know.
3 days.
3
max.
days.
Yeah. So just do this. Do yourself a favor. Do this, and just do this. Put at the bottom of your list and relax. If it keeps, as I mentioned, there's a lot of influencers right now that's being paid or was being paid to shield this, and I am sure after this move they're gonna take profit. But they cannot just dump a coin like that. They'll move the whole market, and I'm sure they're in agreement with the parties involved. But if I was to long this coin, the only reason why I'm talking about this is, well, it's a hot topic, so why not? Maybe sweep of these lows. And up. Until that happens, don't want to touch it. Fuck this coin. I'm not good with memes, but give it a go anyway. Just have a try at charting this, and I will bid on on this, but just very small money. Fuck this coin though. Fucking influencer coin. But they pump though. That's the thing. They like they pump. They actually do pump. So even if you put like 0.5%, 0.25%, and the moves, it's huge. It's huge. But that's meme. So everyone is comfortable in their swings, and I heard that the young assassin is back on the trades.
Yeah.
This is bullish for the market. If I
Max
was
long.
Yeah, max long. If I was this is everybody knows that this is my my play for BTC right now. This would be TP1. Where is my other levels? Oh man, what is wrong with this stupid website today? Don't know. Put here. I know where I want to take profit. It's here. There we go. Perfect, right? And conversion line up here as well. Nice resistance. 36,300. I want to try and respect this level as well. But yep, this is it. Taking it up here. Don't give a fuck what Twitter or anyone else says. I'm long on BTC. until proven otherwise. I even have orders down here at 33,300, all the way aiming up here, and then here, and then here, and then here, and then here. These are just levels I'm marking out on the weekly. We'll see where it goes. This is above 40, but I will put here just in case. You know how the market makers loves doing the whole deviation, like, you know. So I think a lot of people will put their stop losses above 42 if they are shorting. So I will put my stop losses, my take profit on their stop loss on 44, and that's my BTC. A lot of bullish coins, guys. You can. Jesus Christ. Pulling back, but yeah, expected. Mark this level on GMX, good level to long. See how I tighten the stop losses, bro, just in case we get like a scam week, so I don't damage my account much. So these are my risk position: Ether, GMX, SFP. Have fun trying to wick me out. I'll probably just, you know, buy everything from you again down here. I still have some spot here. It's making a higher high, but not a new high. Fuck this coin. I love this coin. 4 hourly looks good though, guys. What do you think? What do you guys think of the market right now? What do you think?
It's vibing.
Yeah, of course.
As long as BTC holding the high levels of this price, it's fine. Like, I don't want to see BTC doing a deep dive suddenly, you know?
If it deep dives and comes with a wick, that's great. It just means if it's mechanical as well. I don't know if you know what a mechanical bounce means. It's just like boom and then boom. That's literally market makers shorting, like selling, liquidating longs, and they have orders underneath to fill themselves up to move the price much higher. They love doing this. Shadow Striker is a fan of this move. What do you think, bro? This move here is very it doesn't look like liquidations. I mean if they got it up to here, why couldn't they grab this guy? And here, maybe they don't have liquidity.
No, I think they first flush the longs and go higher.
Because what happens to these longs that gets flushed out? They'll probably try and long again down here or down here. I have an order. I have an order down here near Mandel Valley area low. Why wouldn't I low? Why wouldn't I long at value area low? 100% I will. But this is a great move. I like this move. I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan of this move. This is expected. Like, we're not naive. Man, I long Phantom knowing it's gonna pull back. I still did it anyway. It's back on my entry, so yeah. 1 inch is a lot of
1 inch now.
1 inch is now back to 1 inch. It was 2 inch before, so but that's not me. That's me being me. I have a trailing stop loss here. I've made a move of. I'm securing a 13% move. So what, right? Like, if it drops back down here, that's fine. And after that, if it shows strength again, I'll just long it again. If it shows strength, but this is previous quarter value area VWAP. So I didn't add size here, thank goodness. But it is bouncing. It is bouncing on 4-hour conversion. So yeah, BNB Chad, very Chad. Chad coin. TRX is a bearish retest until proven otherwise. Needs to take over these two levels. Ocean is a 4-hour test, looking good, looking good. SFP, everything looking good, everything looking good. Now, before you got on, bro, I mentioned to this stream, if you guys want to take profit, this is the time. If BTC moves one more time upwards, and you are scalping, and you don't take profits, and you get bent, and you round trip a whole move, or get stopped out completely, no risk manage, then shame on you. If anyone is not in a trade, if anyone wants to exit now, they can always go back in on a weekly close. Again, AVAX already above the weekly conversion, so I am watching this coin heavily, because if I get this coin, my god, I swear to you, Widelton, I'm coming in, bro. I promised you I'm going in at 12:30. I'm going in, bro. We're bringing in the big guns. We're bringing in the big guns. I gotta back up my brother, and I'm coming in hot. I'll put in a big order here. Where's my yearly VWAP? Here. These are the levels that we're gonna have to face as resistance. But there, nice level. This is a top resistance. These are the levels that we're gonna have to play. But man, this is a giga swing. As a matter of fact, lower it a bit here. Play, because above this level, if you can reclaim this, and if the market keeps on moving upwards, and you can reclaim this. There's like nothing here, bro. So much black lines, but I'm just pointing out liquidity zones to be grabbed, like a magnet. But above this though, bro, I'm aiming for this VWAP. And I love coins like AVAX. If there's any coins that's gonna run like a motherfucker, it's going to be altcoins, and it's gonna be a nice trade. If you're scared, what do you got to lose? Yeah. Once it moves to VWAP here, take some profit. You know, it's a small profit, but it's profit. But at least, I'm pretty sure though, above this level we could easily test this with ease. And we got coins like ApeCoin. Let's see my top coins that I'm watching this week. We got this. We got Aptos weekly close, yeah, that I'm watching. Great, still on entry, just under value area low. Move the stop loss like this if you're scared, or whatever, even like this. Manage your risk, it doesn't matter. This could pull back here, so if you want to put 2.5 here, great. But I don't like DCAing downwards, I only like DCAing upwards now. It's a new me. Bro, I think very easily here. 10. These coins hasn't moved yet. Sui, where's Sui? Sui. Where's Sui? Here it is. It's gotten to my level of interest, and it failed me again. But if it did close there on a weekly, oh man, that would have been a good long like that. Yeah, look at a weekly candle, and see what you can get. I like this. I like this person. I like this coin. I'm starting to like Gal Gadot again. You know, this is a good coin. It's a Israeli coin, so all the every time you buy this coin, you're funding the you're funding Israel, you know, to buy more weapons from America. It's great. Gal Gadot to the moon. But before we do that, we're gonna have to get Gal Gadot here first.
Those fundamentals, bro.
It's very good fundamentals. Fake fundamentals, by the way, not financial advice. 100% FUD. But can we just appreciate this break of structure, guys? Break of structure, reclaim of major support. Not 1 week, 2 weeks. You know, I don't really do meme lines, but we do meme lines on the stream because it's one, for the culture, and two, why not, man? I mean, it's showing you know, break of structure. Why not? I think
This can work on points because other people are also using that.
Correct. That's right. I don't want to say it on the stream, but you guys look at what I posted today. It's to check the sentiment of the of the market. Yeah. Usually when it happens, it'll retrace. I don't know, Widelton. I like DOT. I like AVAX. All of this layer 1 coins that's been heavily shorted this year will be grounds for liquidation. You got here. You got Axie. I'm gonna put all these coins at the bottom actually, so it's easier for me to check. Axie, DOT. Who faded? Who faded? Who faded? Rune. Who faded Rune? Who faded Rune? Not me. I know this long was going to be good. It was one of the charts that I first posted. I didn't have enough room for more risk, but the original one was this, like this, and that's it. Widelton is in. Here's a top G, but you know, that's nothing new here. Fuck me dead, Widelton. Fuck. Motherfuck, 60% move. I faded. Yep. But I don't think the move is done, bro. I don't think the move is done. We need to close this VWAP up here, and there's some good fun. Otherwise, we could always long down here. We can long down here. We can long above here. It doesn't matter. There's plenty of time. Even if there's a major pullback on Rune, we could always grab the range high. That's it. What else? What else? Fun coins. Ooh. What is
such
it?
moves?
What is it?
Lots of coins will do such moves.
A lot of coins will do moves like this. Do not get caught with your pants down, because as a matter of fact, truth be told, sushi was one of the coins I was watching to short if the market pulled back. One of the biggest coin to pump this current rally is 110%. Look at this compression down here. I was looking at it, I'm like, fuck this coin. This coin is gonna go to zero if Bitcoin pulls back. He didn't even give me a chance. He just broke out of the Ichimoku. He did one, two, three, bang, retest, fly. Just like that. Just like that, man. But yeah, you know, post us your charts. Contact us on Discord. So before you know, I hit the bed. Basically, look at BTC. I'm purposely going to sleep. So the best thing to do is after you open up a trade, go for a walk. Go fishing, go swimming, go walk your dog like Widelton, go for a run, do push-ups, Don't open up a trade with a
Push up, bro. That's good attitude.
yeah. Don't open up a trade like how I did on FTM. Literally bought the highs of FTM here. Do you think I'm scared, bro? Not even one bit. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. That's one. Okay. But if you are scalping, which we don't recommend doing on a weekend because you're gonna get chopped. 4-hour conversion. This 4-hour candle must close above this, and this. The more the better, but definitely above value area high is a grounds for long. At least a scalp to here, a quick scalp to here, or even here. Very tight stop loss if you want, but you're gonna get bent. Above Monday high, we're long. Above value area high, we're long. Above 4-hour conversion, we're long. We're in an uptrend. One more liquidity grab should push it up more here to 36,200, 36,300 area, and then man, if we close there above daily, if we grab this tonight, gents, and there's enough liquidity on the market to push it above 36,200, we could see a very green Monday for me, but a Sunday for you guys. Remember what happened when we reclaimed 31,800 around this level? It just went. It didn't even stop. It just went up. That's what I'm predicting at 36,300 area. But again, that's not financial advice. This could just go boop, just instantly. I don't know what the level is. What do you think? 40k, 38, 37, but above 36. Shadow Striker says 37 area.
Yeah.
Each has a different perspective, which is fine. It's very welcome in the market. We need that in the market. Yeah. I hope that happens tonight, because I really do want to get out of my longs before Monday, New York Open, ASAP. Hopefully it gives a chance for coins like this to build up some short so we can liquidate them. We love liquidating people like this. It's funny. Yes, I said that live on stream. It's funny looking at people getting liquidated, because it's funny looking at myself get liquidated. I love getting stopped out. What's wrong with being stopped out? It means that I have something to learn. Fuck TRX, man. I need, please give me one more push. Give, man. Let me get out. I wanna close my trades soon, and I wanna go back in on certain positions, especially like these ones here that are risk free. I want to move it more into deep profit, in profit, everything all in profit. Anything you guys like to add? I think we're very well prepared for whatever move happens, because it's very easy. Below range POC, below Monday low, below value area high. I'm not shorting either. I'm waiting for this. I'm waiting for this. If I get stopped out of my BTC, that's fine. I'll buy lower. I'm ready. And I got a big order here as well, by the way, guys. 5%. 5% from here to here to cover this move. And it's going to be conditional. Boom. I'm not going to miss the trade like last time. I want to get in on one more thing. A special mention to this coin, because I've been watching it for quite some time now. It sounds like a joke because it did start it out as a joke, but bonk. 3-day candle close like this, and I want a long bonk. I don't want to say much more to that, but TP1, TP2, and above this you can add size, and then another TP here, and then above this then bonk to the moon. Not all-time high, relax, just here. Bonk is a special mention. What else? Any trade? What about you, Shadow Striker? No coins.
I took Filecoin and
Let's
Dodo
check.
because Dodo is exchange.
What? Yeah, you like exchange coins, huh? I like exchange
Yeah,
coins.
because they were pumping.
Oh, this is fucking easy. Reason why I check this one out first is because weekly conversion, right? Right above us, and we've got a weekly close soon. We also got a 3-day close soon. Yikes. Okay. We'll keep it simple. We keep it G. Like this. Conversion 3 days. VWAP yearly. Ah, did you long this already?
Yeah, because when I long, it was above the clouds.
Okay, that's okay. Your stop loss down here?
Yeah.
That's okay. For the future, yes, you've seen me front run daily closes, 4-hour closes many times. As a matter of fact, FTM, I did that just here before the daily is even closed, because why the fuck not? We could all, if it's risk managed, we'll just close it here. If it closes underneath, who cares? We're not going to lose the whole 5%, but we'll definitely lose something, but why not? Dodo, basically, for coins, for ideally, how a confirmation happens is it happens like a daily close happens like this, and then you draw it down, and then you play. TP1 is obviously here, and then TP2 is obviously here. I'll back you up with this coin. You don't worry about that. I'm gunning for this. We can use this as a nice resistance. Nice resistance. Boom. There's not really any resistance on bonk. Plenty of time today, and consider closing the trade if we do not close above the cloud, and that's okay. It's a minor scratch. The reason why is because it could pull back here to this level. 1,
Yeah, it could buy lower.
2, that's right, you can buy lower. You would rather close your trade. Okay, you can long twice. You can either long here again. Okay, if it closes like this, it's okay. Bro, I'm instantly underwater on my FTM trade. Instantly. As soon as I opened it, it went up a little bit, and I went instantly underwater. That's fine. It happens. Yeah, it doesn't change shit, bro. And even around here, that's fine. And then you can even go like edge to edge. Great trade, edge to edge. As a matter of fact, if it goes edge to edge, the lower it gets here, the better, because you got this value area low here on the yearly. You just aim like this. You can even get a better entry. But I don't know what the stop loss will be. When the time comes, we'll know. Yeah. like that. It's fine. This is nothing. You know how many, man, do you understand how many losses that incurred with GMX in me trying to get like a nice entry? I opened, just to be clear, yeah? Just to be clear, I opened GMX here, okay? I closed it there when it started going in because I chickened out because I was over leveraged, and it was like this, it was deep, and I closed it, it went up, and then I didn't want to open it yet, and then I said okay, then boom, I went down here and I was thankful that I didn't open up my long, that I closed my long here, because two things, because this could continue going downwards and stop me out, or it could have just, you know, it could have just went up here and I can buy higher. That's fine. Now I feel better at buying here, and then buying again here. It's okay. So I took a loss here on GMX, and it wasn't even here that I opened. I'm pretty sure I opened it up here pretty high. That's okay. It's part of playing momentum trading. Not a lot of people like playing breakout, and everyone has their own opinion, which is fine, right? I like playing this because I know how to manage my risk properly, and that's the most important part of trading. There's nothing more important than trading than that. But same thing here with Phantom. I opened it up here, I closed it on the first 4-hour close underneath here. Yeah, no bro, I closed it here, man. Phantom.
Oh.
Yeah, open here, close here, and then I saw it move down. I thought I was a hero, right? And I saw this candle. I'm just gonna leave it for now. I didn't long. I opened up along here. Why? Above value area high, above 200 EMA, but the candle hasn't closed yet. But that's okay. So now if it just chops up here, I'm happy. But if it closes underneath this again, I'll close it again. I'll keep going. Who gives a fuck? What you can have a little bit of loss here and there, but man, in the long run, if you land a move, this is it.
For example, 1 inch, how many times you got stopped, but finally you won?
With 1 inch, okay.
Yeah.
Transparently, for this first move, it was like this, okay. And I aimed for edge to edge, right? Because I wasn't too bullish, right? At that time. I did this. I went in like this. It went in, and I got stopped out approximately. He got up here, and then he stopped me out. Right? Here, remember? It was around here. It was here or here? Yeah. Somewhere around here. I got stopped out in minor profit. Right, when I was already in good profit, he stopped me out. I break. Nah, I think in slight profit. No, it was this wick.
Wick, right?
Yeah, there was wick here, and then after he pumped, right? I was a bit upset. Yeah, that's all right. And he went down, and he got back down here, and I got in. Boom, and I landed the second move twice. I didn't make any profit on the first one, but I didn't lose, even if I lost. Doesn't matter. BNB. How close was BNB getting to my I didn't long it here. I bought it around here, level here, and then after I topped up again here, and it almost stopped me out here, right? From here to here is a very small distance for BNB. I didn't get stopped out. I could have. TRX, I missed this entire move because I'm a dickhead because I closed it too early. What else? SFP. SFP, I've already got stopped out. I break even. I'm in profit here. Remember? Here, and that was a huge position. I got in again with bigger size. Now I'm in profit, but that's fine. If I get stopped out here, then it wasn't meant to be. Ethereum, one more example. Got in, and then I closed it around here. It pumped, It went back down. I didn't open it up again, and then I finally opened it up here on this candle here. But obviously this is gonna move up because I've been buying, right? Yeah, it's fine. It's normal, bro. It's normal for momentum traders or like or people like me to be playing and closing early, because my stop loss is wide, but it's 5%. So
Yeah.
it's okay for me to close it early. But if it just keeps on moving, at least I'll catch the whole move full size. I don't know if I hope like that makes sense. See this? This is 5%, right? For me. I know it's 19.70, but this is 5% for me. But if it moves back down here, right? It's like, I don't know, like 2.5%. Yeah, I'm not risking that entire move. I only lose like 2.5%. But if it moves upwards, oh man, big wins straight away. Instead of putting 1% here, what for? 1% here, and then DCA again down here. Most of the times, it doesn't let you have a chance to go DCA downwards. It lets you DCA upwards. I've only implemented DCAing upwards recently with SZ. I've been watching him closely, compounding his wins, and I think, fuck, I'm like, you know what I mean? Like, it's working. He's a momentum trader, swing trader to be precise, but he also plays momentum. He catches the reversal and he plays the momentum. That's what's good about him, and that's what's good about me as well. But I used to DCA backwards. It's wrong. You don't. I find it wrong now. Yeah, it's wrong. Yeah. Why would you bid on your losing trade when you can be bidding on your winning trade? Like my ether, I added size. GMX, well, I'm swapping. It's different. SFP, I've been longing since down here. As a matter of fact, there's people on Discord that has been longing down here, bro. Since here. What's his name? El Matador has been longing from down here, bro. He has a better entry than me, because you know why? He's in a swing. I'm not. I've already taken profit here. So don't be afraid to go in and manage your risk. But that's the key. That's the key. That's the key word. Yeah, manage your risk.
Yeah.
DCA upwards or DCA downwards, but you need to know when to cut it. Cut it very quick. Go big. Go big. In the first move. Always go big in the first move. Why? I'll show you why. Go big on the first move. Bidding 5% here in the first move, it's always a volatile move upwards and it's chop. Why would you bid 5% here? You bid 5% on the first, like on a big move, like that's it. On the breakout, like no, you're not gonna catch me bidding bidding small at the beginning. What for? Obviously you guys were still starting, and I don't recommend you to be bidding big size, but it's time, man. You guys are good traders. You have nothing to worry about. As long as your risk is managed, you're fine. Bet big, and then if you start seeing your trade has a weakness, cut it quick.
Yeah. I have a question. I have 2 trades, 5% per trade.
Yeah.
Do you think I should not open more or keep it to 10%?
In 2 swings, it's okay to put 10%, but you need to know when to cut the trade. those 5% trade on each one on your swing is great. Why? Because it protects you from wicks.
Yeah.
Like scam wicks. Protect yourself from scam wicks. Stop loss hunts. That's the best thing about Widelton's strategy and my strategy. We don't like
I feel very comfortable now having big stop loss.
but bro, if I'll tell you right now, if BTC just dumps and there's FUD, you're gonna get stopped out in both. Like as I mentioned on my chat before, I've already adjusted my stop loss. I'll do the maths now, yeah. Ether around one sec times 0. Ether is, so I can risk, okay, Ether is 1.5%, okay, GMX is 1.3%. I'll tell you what I'm risking. 1.3 plus 1.5 plus BNB is in profit, baby. Actually, I'm gonna go from here. Yeah? BTC. Let's hang on. I'll go again from this chart here. BTC 1.5 plus 1 inch, 1 inch in profit, BNB in profit. So that's it. I've already cashed out, right? Don't worry about these unrealized gains, bro. Look at what you have on your stop loss. That's the main thing. Plus Ether 1.5 plus FTM plus 1.7 plus GMX 1.3 plus Ocean. Oh, only 0.5 risk left. I'm at 5% already, yeah? I'm already 5%, yeah? OP
Yeah.
1.6. SFP plus 1.8. 8.4. TRX break even. I'm at 8.4% risk, so I'm only over leveraged by 3.4%. But I'm not gonna let every single one of them get stop loss.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So it's no biggie for me to take a 8.4% hit on my account, but it won't be that unless there's a major black swan and I just get stopped out, like everything at once. It has to happen all at once. If I see weakness, I'll just cut it. If I see weakness, I'll cut it. In Ether, I could cut it in profit right now if I want. As a matter of fact, I could move this to break even right now, and I'm done. That's another 1.5% gone. And then SFP, I can take profit right now. I'm gonna move it to break even. But I'll just, what if he does this? Boom, boom. What if he does this? Boom, boom. When I sleep, what for?
Yeah.
FTM. You know what I mean? Like, it's fine. It's fine. So I'm only over leveraged by 3.4%. You're over leveraged by 5%. 10% is fine on swing, as long as you have the you know. But I don't think if you do want to close your dodo by half and your other position by half. Filecoin, right?
Yeah.
Let's see.
You had that right
Huh?
before.
Sort of. I just want to do it fresh. I am happy with Filecoin here, right? Conversion weekly, 3-day. I'm happy as well. So I think this is doable. I think this is doable. I think this is very doable. Very doable. But obviously we got the 3-day Kumo here as well. But we all know what can happen to these overly. Oh, juice, very juice, very juicy.
Yeah.
Right, you gotta put a little bit of meme lines, right, for maximum confluence with the market. Right? Yeah. Nice 200 EMA. Great long, great long. Why not? Great long. Yeah. Keep it simple. If you're swinging, these small little shit don't matter, bro. Seriously. These little grabs, you shouldn't be like, one of these like noob traders, like they just first started out, oh yeah, let's draw levels and just start like fucking drawing like little resistances. Bro, are you a scalper or a swing? You know what I mean? Don't worry about these small
Yeah.
like retard levels.
If we are on uptrend, then those resistance won't matter much.
It doesn't matter. That's right. Just like how an auto block, if we are going uptrend,
Yeah.
if you're in a heavy uptrend, the sell order, obviously whales are not going to be selling if it's in an uptrend. Not yet. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
They will sell at a key pivot like this. They'll sell at a key pivot. You want to see? Yeah. It's all right. I don't care about small resistances. I care about big ones yearly. Yeah. Nothing is gonna stop me. If it stops me, fine. Hey, come stop me out right now. Stop me out right now on stream. I don't give a fuck. And if you see, and then if I see strength here, I'll probably go back in again. Oh, with this week like this, I'll probably buy double the size, because you know why? You know what happens with these wicks, right? If it just goes like straight down like this, instantly test it. Just like what happens with Solana. I could have taken some profit there. I could have, but it's fine. It's fine. Engulfing, right? Engulfing, yes or no?
Yeah.
That's it. I rest my case. Even if it's a hammer, who gives a fuck? Yeah, alright. Oh, engulfing. Oh, hammer. Pull back what to what here? Come stop me. Oh, here. Alright. That's fine. I'm already stopped at him profit. I'll buy back here. I'll buy back here. Give me a chance to buy more 1 inch, please. 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 Give me a chance to buy more 1 inch and I'll do it. I already have my alerty. You think I'm not ready? I'm ready, bro. I'm bidding on 1 inch. Big levels, but that's fine. Yeah, please manage your risk, bro. You know we got your back, but don't get blown up. Stay safe.
Yeah.
Man, I'm in a very good profit right now. I hope when I wake up I'm still gonna be in good profit, but everyone knows their levels. Play accordingly. Yeah, there, that's the level here and here. That's it. From here, if you have some good coins, if you have some good profit, take some. take some or move your stop loss up. But you know me. Everybody knows me on stream by now or Discord. I don't like taking profits. Fuck taking profits. I'm not in for these small. What is this? What are they called? Snack size wins. I want the dildo, the big one. Yes, homo. 100% homo. All right. I'll wake up early in the morning, 7 o'clock. Check my trades. Go to work. All right. Take it easy. All right.
Yeah.
I'll be on
Take
WhatsApp
care.
though. Take it
Get
easy.
wet.
Oh, thanks for coming.
You too, bro.
Take
Thank
it
you
easy.
so much.
Stay safe now. Thank you guys. Bye
Thank you
now.
so much.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Likewise. Bye.
Bye.